Okay, so while I'm here, guys, I decided that I am going to do the sketchbook challenges that your teacher has left for you along with you. Okay, I'm gonna do like the time lapse. You don't have that? Oh my gosh, let me get it for you. Just a second. All right. And then I'll do them in time lapse mode and I'll post them, okay? I'll put them on my channel. Hey guys, so here I am, Mrs. Mutka, and I am subbing for an art teacher for several weeks, and she has these awesome sketchbooks with sketchbook challenges in them, and so I am working on the sketchbook challenges, and the first one is design your cover. So all I did was I colored in the title with crayons, and then I made some pointillism marks, just some dots with Crayola markers, and I sprayed the whole thing with water, and then I set it upright so that the water would drip down the page. And I also used some watercolors and repeatedly put the watercolors, just dripped them and allowed them to fall down the page. So, pretty simple, but that is my design your cover sketchbook challenge number 1. All right, let's see what's coming up next. Ooh, the next one is fill a page with your favorite shapes. So that's the next one I'm gonna do. See you next time.